How can we modify our tools so that the part is in tolerance when it comes out of the tool? We use this example to show how to compensate tools in Stampack Express. This is our process. In OP10 we form the part. In OP20 we cut the part with a laser cutting. We want to modify these area, but we leave this area here untouched. Here is how we get compensated tools. First we need a springback operation. For this part, we place the clamps here, but it will also work with free springback. Add the compare to target option. You need to specify a target. In our case we import the die again. It covers the whole part and the faces do match the part faces. In other cases, it might be better to import a nominal part as a target. Since the target is below the part, we choose bottom as surface to measure. Do not select the use best fit option if you are go for a compensation. With the compare to target option, we know how big the deviation between our result and the desired geometry is. This is the base for modifying the tools. Now check use Springback Compensation. Select a compensation reference. This can be the lower side or the upper side of your component. We calculate the compensation for this side and apply the modification then to the other side as well. You should select the side where the tools covers most of your part. Then add surfaces to compensate. You can add surfaces and contours to compensate. And you can add surfaces as constraints. First, we add die and punch. These faces will get modified later. Then we add the laser cut contour. Finally we add the pad as a constraint and we fix it. Not only will the pad not be changed as it is a constraint, but the die will not be changed in this area either. You can use this option to avoid undercuts in steep areas. Now calculate your springback operation. In the results, we can see the springback of our part. Here together with our target. And this is the new compensated die. And the compensated punch. This is the compensated laser cut. In this animation we show the part springing back while the die is compensated in the opposite direction. In the result, the part is shown in the spring back state. We add a new feature that displays the part also in the compensated state. You can switch the displayed state here. After we have done our first compensation, we want to know how good is the compensation. Are we already in tolerance? In order to check that, we have to recalculate with the compensated tools. Here is how we do that. From the result, copy your compensated tools to the warehouse. Go to the Process tab. Switch to Warehouse. And rename your tools like this. Go to Operation 10. Replace the tools with the compensated version. Go to Operation 20. Replace the cutting contour with the compensated contour. Go to the Springback operation. And uncheck Use Springback Compensation. Calculate again. Here are the results. In the base simulation without any compensation, we have a maximum deviation of 3.3 mm. With the first compensation we reduce this to 0.6 mm. Here we run a second compensation on the already compensated tools. This allowed us to further reduce the deviation to 0.01 mm.